lovelies, welcome back to another episode. Have you ever thought about turning your favorite sports team into the perfect vacation getaway? Maybe it is football, baseball, hockey, whatever it is, even college. A sports team is the perfect way to get two in one. Cheering on your favorite sports team as well as experiencing a whole new city. So today, I'm going to help you break down how to save, give you some tips, and as well as some fun activities to do in advance and book along the way so that you can experience it all in one. So go ahead, click that like button, subscribe to this channel, and let's jump right into it. So your first question may be, what is a sportscation? Well, a sportscation is when you build a vacation around a game or sporting event. It's not just about the tickets, but it's about the experience. From hotel to dining, nightlife, and even sightseeing. There are so many unique experiences around the city that the game is being held at. So your next question may be, is why take a sportscation? Well, sports brings people together, but a sportscation gives you lifelong memories, exploring a new city, and even a taste of local culture with tailgating and even fan zones. This will give you post-celebration. Exactly, this is the perfect place for you guys to have a family trip, friends getaway, or even a business retreat. So first, start by picking the game that excites you most, whether that be Super Bowl, the College Bowl, or maybe even a smaller local team like a rivalry. You can even pick minor leagues. Finding the perfect staycation is going to be easy when it comes to finding the perfect sports team for you. Now here's the golden rules when it comes to staycations. Number one, book early. Book those tickets ahead of time so that you save money. Number two, make sure you get a hotel close to the stadium and book that ahead of time. Number three, if you got a big group, make sure you check public transportation so that you avoid crowds and you avoid parking and you all get there together. And tip number four, make sure you do dinner reservations pre or post the game, maybe even both. But on the weekends of sports teams, it is always busy, so you want to make sure you get those bookings ahead of time. A sportscation isn't just a game. Here are examples of things that you can book in advance so that you can make this more of a true getaway. Maybe check out a city tour where you can experience food, culture, and maybe even a bar tour, and you can find more of the culture experiences. To dive more into the culture, check out maybe a local museum or a local park. Find out what is popping in that city. Next, you could check out a tailgate package. When you book your ticket, make sure that you check out the fan zones or maybe even the tailgate experience. You can even with your family check out a sports hall of fame to experience the icons of the city. And finally, why not check out what's going on outdoors in the area of the city near you of the game? One of the best parts of sports travel is experiencing the fan culture. From behind the scenes to tailgate experiences, they will have VIP packages that you can experience it. For more information, make sure you contact me directly so that I can help add this onto your package so that you don't miss out.
Looking for the perfect vacation but don't know where to start? BoYos Travel does more than book flights and hotels. We are here to help ease your travels by planning beginning-to-end experiences. What concert tickets? Sporting events? Or maybe local activities going on? We will plan all the things that you dream to do. Take the stress out of planning. Get a free consultation today. Order brochures to your next destination and get the group. Excited about your next adventure? Visit boyostravel.org and register to start earning travel savings today.
Alright, now here's a few hacks for you guys when you're getting ready to pack up for your sportscation. Tip number one, make sure that you pack your team gear ahead of time. You can save money by buying your gear at your city before you head to that destination. Tip number 2 is arrive early to avoid the parking chaos, especially when it comes to tailgating. Tip number 3, make sure you want to check out rideshare like Uber or Lyft to avoid having to park. Number 4, bring a clear stadium approved bag so that takes care of having to go back to your car. Next one is know the stadium rules before you enter. This is maybe a cashless stadium, or maybe they have extra security and you want to be alert. And lastly, check the weather. You never know when they have an outdoor stadium and you're not prepared. Sportcations are even better in groups. Whether it is a family reunion at a college game or friends getting together at an NBA game. How about coworkers bonding over baseball? I can put together group rates, private dining, and tailored experiences to match your group. While traveling for a sports trip can get expensive, here are some budget-friendly tips to help you get this vacation of a lifetime. Tip number 1, make sure that you book those flights on a Tuesday or Wednesday for the lowest rates. Number 2, bundle the hotel and those tickets for savings. Number 3, stay slightly outside of the city center for a cheaper rate. Maybe that's by the airport. And make sure that you share group transportation so that you guys have an affordable transportation to and from the hotel to airport. Now, my last but certainly not least tip, make sure that you always travel with insurance so that you are protected with travel protection. Alright, so do you think you're ready for a sportscation? Well, let's go over this ready checklist and make sure you are ready for your next trip. Make sure that you have your ticket and hotel confirmation. Make sure you know your hotel and stadium rules. Check that bag policy. Make sure you know the weather and you have the appropriate clothes. Don't forget to pack those charger and power banks so that you are able to capture every moment. Make sure that you download Waves, as I recommend, for your traveling app, and make sure that you know how to get around for transits. You might have to download the apps. And last but certainly not least, make sure that you got extra spending money for fun souvenirs that you want to bring back home. So if you're ready to stop dreaming and start planning for your next sports vacation, I'll take care of the tickets, the hotels, and the activities so you can focus more on the memories. Head over to BoYostravel.org today and you can start registering for a free consultation. Let's create a game plan for your next trip. Hey lovelies, it's Sierra. Are you looking for something to do near your area? Why not check out BoYostravel.org? Did you know that in my services, you can actually book your own travels? Yes, by clicking my Viator link or even my Golden Tickets link, you can click and find concert tickets, tours, activities, and even sporting events to book right now. Go ahead and check it out and make sure you guys tag me at BoYos Travel and let them know all the excitement that we have to offer. If this video helped you plan your next vacation or you like this information, please give this video a thumbs up and share to someone that you know loves to go on a sports trip. Tag your friends and family below and comment what you want to see from us on the next video. And I'll see you guys later. Bye! Hello lovelies, are you tired of not being able to get the group coordinated, what about at least having the same cozy or maybe even the same hotel keychain? Contact BoYosTravel.org and check out our swag shop. You could get customized personal things for the group. By booking once with BoYos Travel, you could be receiving a swag bag personally to you for free. Why not check out BoYosTravel.org today and find all the travel needs for your group?
We have a great product in the shop that we're excited to share with you. Check it out on our site.